Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, so now you have received your card and you need to add funds. Yes, you've received your Crypto.com Visa Debit Card and you need to top up, add funds, or load money onto your card. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on 3 different ways that you can add money to your Visa debit card. First, if you haven't already, guys, please click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video because remember, sharing is caring. Now I'm going to go ahead and you can watch this video as many times as you need to so you can see the step-by-step instructions to load funds onto your card. Remember, with your Crypto.com Visa debit card, you could very easily be earning an extra $300 to $500 per month just for paying for things that you would normally pay for. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First, you've got to go ahead and go to your Crypto.com app. Once you go to your Crypto.com app, you want to click on the Accounts tab, and then you're going to click on your Visa card. After you do that, you're going to click on the next screen, there's a blue plus sign in a circle. Go ahead and click the plus. After you do that, there are 3 different ways to add funds to your Visa debit card. One is adding funds from your crypto wallet. 2, you can add funds from a credit card or a debit card. And 3, you can add funds from your fiat wallet. So the first example I'm going to show you, I'm going to add funds from my crypto wallet. When you click on the crypto wallet and you know you've selected that choice because you see the crypto wallet is in black, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to see a lot of choices to select. If you have crypto, those choices are going to appear in those screens. So I have Engine, Bitcoin, Matic, Link. Those are some of the ones I have. I'm going to select Matic. I have Matic Crypto. When I click on, you see the blue check mark, click on the Matic. You're going to see the amount of Matic appear above this dollar amount, but you can change this dollar amount at any time. So I'm going to click on Matic because I want to use Matic from my crypto wallet. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and enter in the amount that I want to select for the Matic. Now, you can adjust these amounts any way that you want to do them, just depending on how much money you want to actually deposit into your onto your Visa debit card. You just decide. So here, I'm going to be adding 7.2 Matic, and the equivalent is $11.62. After I'm okay with the amount, click on Top Up. That's in blue. After you do that, you're going to see Confirm Top Up Card on your next screen. And then I'm just going to make sure that it's correct. And you see that there is no fee. There's no fee to top up your card with your crypto. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Confirm. After that, you're going to get a green screen that tells you you've added $11.62 to your card. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, let's look at option number 2, which is adding your credit card. And so here you can see, you go back, you click on credit card. You see credit card is in black. And then again, all you're going to do is you're going to backspace or enter on that line how much you want to add. And so I'm adding $20. And once I'm satisfied, I also select a different credit card or debit card I'm going to add. Then I'm going to click on Top Up $20. That's it. Once I click on Top Up $20, I get this confirmation. It'll say Confirm Top Up Card, and it has the $20. And again, you can see there are 0 fees for adding this $20. And then in the blue where it says Confirm, click on Confirm. Now, sometimes it requires me to enter in my CVV code. Once you click in entering your CVV code, you click on Submit. Once you do that, you've added $20 from your debit card or your credit card to your Visa debit card. All right? And that's very easy. Method number 3. Your fiat wallet is the wallet that you have in your crypto.com account that has money in it. I don't keep much money in my fiat wallet, so it can be $1,000, $500, it can be 5 cents, 10 cents, whatever. So I had a very small amount of money in my fiat wallet, but it doesn't matter how much you have. There is no minimum and there are no fees. So the third choice is if I click on fiat wallet, and you can see fiat is in black, that's how I know I've selected that option. Click fiat wallet. The next thing, you enter the amount. I had 3 cents in my fiat wallet, so I just entered in 3 cents. Then I clicked on top up with 3 cents. Once you do that, you're going to get confirmed top up card. You see amount is 3 cents. From the method is the US fiat wallet, and the total cost is just the 3 cents. That's all it is. There are no fees. And I click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you're going to get that green message. It says you have topped up 3 cents to your card, and that's it. So you can either top up your card with crypto, you can use a Visa or you can use a debit card from your bank account, but I found that it's most credit union cards don't work. And you can also use your fiat wallet in your account. That's all you need to do. My name is Ida. If you haven't already, please click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Remember, sharing is caring. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Until next time, good luck.